Hi guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now I've brought you out into the countryside, although not quite. This is an old disused railway path, but years ago they planted some apple trees. And the reason why I brought you out here is because one of our regular customers, Steve C, has sent me an email with a question on. And the question was, do I have a recipe for blackberry and apple crumble wine? Because he likes his blackberry and apple crumbles. And I've got me thinking, no I don't, but I can create one. So I thought we'd come, and because there's loads of different varieties of apples. There's some little tiny ones here that look, ooh, I suppose like russets or something like that. Oh, that's lovely and sweet actually. That is lovely. We'll use some of those. Then we've got something else here. Oh, these are a little bit different. Not so rough skinned. Oh, that's sharp. It could quite easily be a mixture here of cider apples and eating apples. And I think this, might even be a Bramley. Oh yes. Which is great. We've got a good mix of apples here. Bramleys, brilliant of course. Apple and blackberry crumble, so we'll use some Bramleys. We'll use some of these guys if I can get to them. They're quite high up, but I've got a stick to get to them. And then, once we've got a few apples, we then need to go and find some blackberries. So, let's get picking. Sometimes, the only way to get them is actually get up in the tree. Now it's still quite early in the season, so we've still got a lot of red berries here. But go for the nice big juicy ones. Remember to leave a few as well for the birds, because the birds love them and the birds will thank you for it. And we're looking to get really about 3 pounds of blackberries, so you're going to have to do a little bit of picking. And of course blackberries, I've got nasty little spiky thorns on them, and you'll also get black fingers.